Hi, I'm Lindsay with Ellie and Mac Sewing Patterns. Today I want to show you the Sew Happy Box Winter Edition. This is from Meissner Sewing, and they have a subscription sewing box for 4 different boxes throughout the year that are seasonal, and you pay a one-time fee and you get these boxes throughout the year, which is so fun. So they sent me this box to review with you, and I am looking forward to it. When I got it out of the box, it looked like this. It's gift ready already, so I'm really excited. I feel like it makes the perfect gift for anybody who loves sewing. There should be 4 sewing projects in here, as well as some fun goodies. So let's open it up together and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, it truly is packaged like a gift. I love this card. Look at that. They stitched onto it. What a great idea. Okay, so let's get started. We have tea, blood orange smoothie. I love this. I am a big tea person. And honestly, I needed a new flavor, so this is great. Ooh, got this beautiful mug. And I think if I read right, there's a set of 4 mugs. So each box through the subscription, you would collect another mug for then a total of 4 mugs. And I think maybe they're in different colors, but they all go together. So that's really fun. I will definitely be using that. I just feel like this box is already so me. I love making sugar cookies, and I love, like decorating them. So this cookie cutter is super cute. I know you could use it for all kinds of crafts as well as, baking if you don't bake, but I love that they sent you a baking mix. I do love baking as well. Okay, got a donut pin cushion. How cute is that? I mean, this is such a great project because you could just pop this in your purse and you could work on it while you're watching, your children do their activities, or while they're at practice, or, while you're waiting at the doctor's office or anything. I just love this. So it's a great, sit on the couch and keep your hands busy kind of an activity. Oh, this is a cute notebook, and it's got a cloth outer cover, and so I just really love that. Plus, look how perfect the size is. You can just pop that right in your purse, and then you have it ready for anything. I love making lists and then checking off what I have to do. It just keeps me on track, so this will be perfect. A cute dish towel, love that. I also love that a dish towel is so perfect for making smaller projects, like our reusable snack bags. This would be perfect for that because it's such a cute print anyway. Such a great idea. So use it as a towel or use it in a project, right? We have another cute little project. This is a wool mix felt craft kit. Now, I have actually never done felting, but I always thought that it seemed like a cool project. So this will be neat to try out. We have some decaf coffee. Love coffee, so this is great. Plus, this one I could actually make in the afternoon if I forgot and time got away from me in the morning, which is nice. Because sometimes when I'm sewing, that happens. Ooh, these are really cute. I think they are cats or squirrels. So cute. I needed a new pair of snips because I use these all the time. Oh, look at those. I just love the colors. Okay, I think we're down to the bigger stuff. Oh, wait, there's a cute pin. It says, feeling stabby. So cute. We have the fat quarter apron. I really could use a new apron, so this will force me to finally get another one made. I love those colors. Look how vibrant those are. Yeah, that's excellent. I think the last thing is the pie pot holder. Oh, that's cute. Can you see that? It looks like a pie. So cute. And it has everything you need to make it, even that insulated batting. Just love this. And I was gonna tell you, this stuff, you don't have to throw it away. It's excellent for using to stuff our gnome pattern, or anything like that that's a decorative craft that needs some stuffing that won't get wet, right? It's also great for, bedding for pets, or just other projects. So you don't have to toss it out, but if you want, you can recycle it because it is just like cardboard. I am very happy with the quality of this box. I think it's an excellent gift for any sewist. I mean, I would be thrilled if someone sent this to me, so I think any sewist would be. It just has so many great things in it. I'm just gonna kind of try to arrange them so you can see them. So it's so cute. I also believe when you are on the subscription plan, you can customize the box. So you can choose your coffee and tea, I think. And I think maybe, I can't remember if you can also choose the color of your mug, but I know there are ways that you actually customize the box to your own liking. So keep that in mind. I think that's kind of cool that you can kind of get in there and do that. But I only think you can do that if you're on the year subscription plan. If you just buy the one box, I don't think it's customizable in that regard. By the year subscription, you can save $90 with our code. So that's a huge savings, and I highly recommend it. I'm really happy with this box, and I think it makes an excellent gift. Let me know what you think and what your favorite stuff in here is.